everyone, thank you for joining me and welcome to my channel, Divine Owl. I'm excited to share with you a purchase I did on my birthday right before February. My birthday is February 1st, so I did a bit of research and I found this company called HiddenCrown right here, HiddenCrown, and I chose them because it seemed to be the most popular that I've seen on like Instagram and advertisements by celebrities, so that's kind of what swayed me to that one, because there's a lot of competing brands that have very similar products, and when you're shopping for these things you really don't know what one to pick. So I went with this one. Another reason is they have this platinum blonde that was really nice. A lot of them have very orangey blondes and I like the platinum color. Now this was a perfect match when I got it, but you know, I haven't been in the salon since mid-January, so it's been a while. What else? Oh, it has layers cut into it already, and a lot of them, I haven't seen any that had layers, so you know, it's not all just one thing of hair. It has like layers to look more natural, and you don't have to have it cut by a professional if you buy it already pre-cut. So I went with the 22 inch, let me see, here's my packing slip, 22 inch layers, and my natural hair is only like 15 inches, so it adds a good bit of length to my hair as well, which is kind of cool because, you know, hard as I may try, it doesn't seem to get, you know, much beyond this length, so darn. I am very envious of all you women who have that naturally thick hair, but I have this like fine, thin European hair. Anyway, it breaks, and you know, I like to bleach it, and so as of this video, there's a code on the website for HiddenCrown for a discount of $25. So I don't know if it's still there, but just thought I'd throw that out there. I purchased this with my own money, or my husband did for me, for my present. Anyway, the code for the hair is Spring25 for $25 off. So good luck if you want to make a purchase. I was very impressed when I opened it. It was so pretty. The packaging was kind of meh, you know, when you pay $449 plus shipping, mind you, plus shipping, I had no discount, you expect kind of a lot, you know. It just came in a padded envelope, you know, shiny, kind of like a Mylar pink rainbowy, and that was it, and it was smashed into my mailbox. So I kind of expected, you know how like iPhones come in those nice boxes, I was kind of expecting something like that, but it did come with a hanger, and then the hair clips on the hanger, and it also came with a little comb and a clip and a clip. This comb is cool because it has a sharp end for making those parts you need. It did come with two little hair colors because this is two similar colors mixed together. So they give you two separate things of hair to test it on your hair before you open the hair, because once you open it, they do not accept any returns. So make sure it matches before you open. Okay, I will attempt to show you how it looks. Oops. This is how it looks, and I will attempt to apply this on the camera for you to see. It's fairly simple. It has like a fishing line type string here, and you size it to your head. It has a little slider and clip thing right here. There you go. So that's how the inside looks. Focus. I don't know if it wants to focus that close. What's it even say? Layers, number 60. Anyway, so I haven't curled or washed this hair. They say you can wash it. I believe they said every 3 to 4 months or however much product you might use, but I hardly haven't used this and I don't use a lot of hair product, so I have not washed mine, but they say wash it like your normal hair with shampoo. It does have a weird kind of smell to it. I've noticed it has, since I've owned it, it is less in your face, kind of strong smelling. It kind of had a weird smell, like hair bleach or dyes kind of have that scent. So it's real human hair. It's called REMY hair, and so it's real, and that's cool. So it looks more natural than like a plastic hairpiece. We'll talk about the pros and the cons, and then we will try it on. The pros are it has beautiful long layers. It's good color. Seems to be of good quality and weight. It does make your hair seem longer and thicker. Good for making videos and photo shoots. Gives you confidence. Now for the cons. It's very pricey at $449 plus I think it was like $15 shipping and handling. That's pretty hefty, so you know, you gotta know you want it before you make that leap. It's kind of itchy. You want to scratch your head like constantly. That's kind of annoying. It gets very warm, so you will heat up quickly. It makes me have like a hot head, so I don't know. I'm sure it will you too. It gets uncomfortable. It's uncomfortable to wear after about 30 minutes. You're dying to take this off because this little wire hair kind of digs into your scalp and it does not feel good. And I did a video and then I wore it for a while after the last time I wore this. I had it on for like 2 hours, and when I took it off, I had the biggest dent in my scalp where it was digging in, and it lasted like 3 hours after I took it off, and it did not feel very good either. It kind of hurt, so it's another disadvantage, but it could be the weight of all the hair because I got, you know, the long 22 inches, but it's just a lot of pressure. What else? It seems to slide, like, you know, if you turn your head too fast because your hair is long now and you want to like fling it and swing it, you know. It can tend to twist, so you might want to, if you're gonna go out, maybe put some bobby pins to just kind of stabilize it. So that's a con. Okay, that's all I have for that. I do love it, and it's good for temporary wear, like what I do with my videos, so that's fun. Or photo shoots, or whatever you want to do, you know, family gathering, or Christmas time, and you know, just want to feel better about yourself. It's really nice. You can order sample colors of hair on their website if you're not sure, and they also have an option to send in a photo of your hair color. I was impatient and didn't want to wait and do that step, so I took a risk, and you know, I was happy with the color choice I made. Would I recommend this product? If I had a choice, I would probably buy one from a more affordable competing brand, because of the fact that this nice one still itches. It, you know, it hurts after a while. I wouldn't pay the $450. Maybe a clip-in would be a better option for me. I have not tried. This is the first hairpiece I've ever used, so I don't know, but since you can get really, you know, there's some good brands for in the $200 range, I would probably go with one of those companies. So that's just, you know, but if you have the extra money, you know, definitely, if you love mine, go ahead and try it. You know, I'm just saying, if you don't have a lot of money, I would recommend a more affordable brand. This exact hair again will cost you, at the time of my purchase, about $450 plus shipping. but they do have the $25 off code for spring right now. I will leave a link in the information below. All right. Thank you for watching my video. Please follow and subscribe. We will be doing more videos like this. You know, I'm going to mix some tech and beauty, so you know my male and female followers won't be too bored. Hopefully I have things for everyone out there. Be sure to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell to get updates when I upload new content. I always look forward to new subscriptions and my notifications when I log into YouTube, or BitChute. I really get excited, so make my day and give me a sub, please. Alright, now I wanted to end the video there, and for those of you who stayed on till the end, I will try and do a demo. So I have a mirror here so I can see what I'm doing. Let's try and put it more in front so we can do this together. So the idea is you want to put your string here and then lay it back like that. So you want to use your comb that came with your hair and put a little part where you're gonna lay down the wire, kind of like the top part of your crown. Hair is gonna go over the hairpiece, so you have natural hair on top of the hairpiece. And it is pretty invisible, like you can't really tell you're wearing it. Of course, you know, my grab, you know, that's kind of telltale. It just kind of gives me a lighter highlighted look though, honestly. So I'm not the best at this, but this will give you the idea of what to do. So I'll use this little clip that came with my product, and then you put the hair on. So I'm gonna swing it over, put it down in that little part we made, slide it down so you feel it's secure, and then I'm going to pull out the hair in front of the little wire so that it looks good. Okay. I should probably unclip this now, but you want to just lift your natural hair over it with this little pick so that it looks good. Oh, they did send a tool for resizing your hairpiece. How's that looking back there? You can see all my non-blonde grow out now. So, you know, it takes a couple minutes, but I can tend to do this on my own. If you had help, it could be easier. It could be easier if you had help. I forgot to show you guys. It did come with some spare wires and a little pliers for the clamp. So I guess that's good. Whew, it's hot in here. Whew. So I'm gonna take down my natural hair and let it lay down over my hairpiece. And then if you can see the wire at all, you just comb back and forth, and that kind of tends to hide the wire nicely. And ta-da! Who has gorgeous hair now? Do you see? It's very long. So yeah. Divine Owl is herself now. Just gotta put the right blonde, platinum blonde hair again. So you see that it really mixes in really well. It looks pretty good, I'd say. See? Try and circle around to the back. And I am trying to, yeah. So that's the hidden crown hair. I hope you liked my video, and yeah. So if you see my hair long and blonde, I'm sorry. I had to do what some other woman with thin hair did and buy a little hairpiece and we can feel like a princess. And what's cool is it's not a commitment. Like if you were to have a professional do permanent hairpiece or extensions, you know, you have to have maintenance, you know, every few weeks, and that gets pricey. So, you know, if you just want hair every now and then, this might be a good option. And it is a lot cheaper than getting permanent hair extensions. All right, everyone be safe and be happy until we meet again. Bye-bye. Bye.